Today we're making lasagna. The first thing we're going to do is put the lasagna pasta into our boiling water. While the pasta is boiling, we're going to mix ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and parsley flakes together for our lasagna mixture, and we're going to set it to the side. While we wait on our pasta, we're going to start cooking the meat for our lasagna. I'm using turkey meat, but you can use hamburger meat, chicken, whatever you want. I'm also going to use hot Italian turkey sausage, just to give it an added kick. And we're going to brown our meat as we wait on our pasta. As our meat is browning, we're going to add some minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and you season to taste. I like Italian seasoning. Oregano. A little crushed red pepper. Pepper. And salt. Mix it in. Once we take our meat off the stove, we're going to mix in our marinara sauce with our meat and mix those together as we get ready to layer our lasagna. Once you've layered your lasagna, you're going to put parsley flakes on top, like I have here. We're going to wrap it in foil, and we're going to put it in the preheated oven at 375 for 15 minutes. And then we're going to take it out, and then we're going to up the oven to 400 and put it in for 20 minutes. And there you have it. Lasagna. Voila!